Hi everyone, it's Kelly from She Sails Away. Today we're going to do a cabin tour of Cunard Cruise Line's Queen Elizabeth. This is room 5006. It is a Category IE standard interior cabin. Now you can see that this bed can hold 2 people, but it can also be divided into 2 twins. And there's a good look at the bed as well. Now, as far as outlets, there are no outlets next to the bed. There are switches for different lights in the room, and each side of the bed gets 3 drawers. 3 switches over here, and 3 drawers on this side as well. The bed was very comfortable, and the room was nice. Here is a look at your tea station. Those 2 bottles of still water are not complimentary, but they are available. You do get sweeteners, tea, and instant coffee. You have a kettle there that you can use, 2 coffee cups, and 2 glasses. As you can see, you're offered different forms of instant coffee, including decaf. And there's your kettle. You can see 2 hooks there to hang things from, and over here you must have a card in the slot at all times to keep the lights on. Here are the main switches for your room. You can hit them on the way out the door. Over here is the desk area. Very nice TV. Now let's take a look at the outlets. One of those, one American Standard, one of these, and one more American Standard. There was also one more American Standard plug behind the TV. And that was it. That was all I found in the whole room. You have a nice little desk area. There is a refrigerator in that big cabinet to the left. You are given this little booklet, which is a map of the ship. Now let's take a look at the restroom. Compact restroom, but very nice. Everything you could want is right here. Shower was small, but not terribly small. I'll put my foot in the shower to show you some reference there. And there is your shower head. Next to the sink, you'll find liquid soap and body lotion. That's complimentary. You'll have your 2 glasses, some towels, and a complimentary little container of cotton balls. 2 small shelves here, and that is your bathroom. There are also 2 hooks here to hang bathrobes, or towels, or whatever you want. And speaking of bathrobes, there were 2 bathrobes in the closet. Those are complimentary to use throughout the cruise. However, we do have a note in our stateroom mentioning that these are not complimentary to take home. They're not gifts. And if we do take them home, we will be charged. There are your life jackets, your laundry bag, and your safe. And some more storage area. And then here's the 3rd closet. So you have 2 tall, slim closets, and then 1 middle closet with some shelves and your safe. And there's the size of your room. I'm standing as far back as I can against the wall, and there you go. This was a comfortable room. The air conditioning worked well. And if you're looking for an inside room, I would recommend it. If you're looking for more cabin tours of other ships, please check out my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and enjoy your next cruise. Bye-bye.